Hi everyone, I'm Heather with Keller Williams, a local realtor here in the Philadelphia suburbs. If you're thinking about buying a home, you've probably heard the terms pre-approved and approved used almost interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. Today I'm going to break down the difference, why it matters so much in our local market, and how understanding this can actually help you win a home. What does pre-approval really mean? This is where most buyers begin. A pre-approval is an early step where a lender takes a look at your finances, things like your income, your credit score, debts, and assets, and gives you an estimate of how much they're willing to lend you. You'll usually submit pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, and they'll run your credit. Based on that, the lender issues a pre-approval letter. This letter tells sellers this buyer has spoken to a lender and appears financially qualified up to a certain point. In Montgomery and Bucks County, this step is not optional. Sellers expect it with your offer, especially in competitive price ranges. But, and this is really important, pre-approval is not a guarantee. It's based on assumptions. The lender has not yet reviewed the house, the appraisal, or fully underwritten your loan. Even though it's not a guarantee, pre-approval is still incredibly valuable. It helps you shop with confidence, avoid falling in love with homes outside of your budget, strengthens your offer when there are multiple buyers. In hot neighborhoods across Montgomery and Bucks County, a strong pre-approval can absolutely make the difference between your offer being considered or ignored. Look how cute you are. Oh my God, I am obsessed with him. I love him. Now let's talk about loan approval, which is very different. Loan approval happens after your offer is accepted. At this stage, the lender goes much deeper. This is when the home is appraised, the title work is reviewed, underwriting verifies everything: your income, assets, employment, and the property itself. The lender is now asking, does this buyer qualify, and does this specific home meet lending guidelines? Once underwriting signs off and all conditions are satisfied, you receive what's often called clear to close. That's the lender officially saying, yes, we're funding this loan. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Pre-approval means you look good on paper. Loan approval means everything checks out and we're ready to close. Pre-approval helps you get your offer accepted. Loan approval gets you to settlement. You need both, but they happen at very different times. One last tip I always give my buyers: once you're pre-approved and under contract, keep your finances steady. That means don't open new credit cards, don't buy furniture or cars, don't change jobs without talking to your lender. Even small changes can affect final loan approval. If you're thinking about buying in Montgomery or Bucks County and you're not sure where to start, I'm happy to walk you through the process and connect you with trusted local lenders. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more home buying tips, and feel free to reach out with questions. I'm always here to help.